Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your browser is a bit unusual on GoDaddy. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for GoDaddy.com. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Simply select Settings from inside of it. Now, access the Privacy and Security feature from the left side menu and open the Site Settings feature from the bottom of the page. After that, scroll down to the bottom and access the JavaScript feature under the content header. Make sure that it is enabled and then close the settings window. Next, click on the Extensions icon at the top and select Manage Extensions from the drop-down menu. Here, simply make sure that any useless extensions are turned off, as they might be getting in the way of your browsing experience. The last thing you can try is checking if a VPN is causing the issue. For that, click on the search bar at the bottom, search for VPN, and then open its settings. Make sure to disable any running VPN and your problem should be solved. So that's basically how you can fix the issue when your browser is a bit unusual on GoDaddy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.